Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the payout from eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, you will be needing just to start selling on eBay, and basically you will get paid directly to your Pioneer account that is linked to eBay. So whenever you can start selling here, so as you can see, this is the customer service article on eBay. And to get paid for items you've sold on eBay, your buyers can choose from many payments methods and you will receive your payouts directly to your Pioneer account. That means you will need just to link your Pioneer account within your store or your eBay seller account, and basically you will be able to start getting the funds after being processed, and you will receive them. So simply you will need just to simply go to your account, and from here you can go to account settings, and in payments information you will be going to payments. And from here, you can continue with your account. So I'm just going to choose my account. And there you can set up your payments where you are going to get paid. You can, for example, add the selling. So from here, you will find the selling informations. And basically, you can add your Pioneer account so you can get uh, paid from it. And basically, whenever a buyer buys, for example, I'm just going for this product and I'm going to click on buy it now, and let's just choose whatever. And here I'm just going to click on buy it now. So basically, the customer will just click on buy, and basically they will choose any payments method. They will go to confirm and pay, and basically you will receive the amount into your Pioneer account that you have used. So all you need to do is just to start listing your items on eBay, and basically you will receive the payout. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.